Okay. Good people. How are you? So, as usual, I'm Mr. Assam. As normal, actually, I like to share analysis. I like to share my ideas on direction of the market and specifically on gold. I'm much interested with this. So, mainly, it is Tuesday. It's not so common for me to share things on Tuesday, and actually because of conditions where human also will suffer and everything in this way. So I was not healthier good over the weekend, and even until today my voice is not that nice. But I have decided to record because I did it on on Monday. It was yesterday now. The recording was not good. So at least today my voice is coming out. So I'm going to share analysis on gold, and mainly starting with the weekly time frame, whereby in a weekly time frame, basically what we see there is, last analysis I was talking about price approaching this level, and now it hit at that level, then turned bearish with a very strong candle in the past week now. A very strong bearish candle that always covered the previous bullish candles. So this is an indicator that sellers, they are coming in. But market pushed strongly up to a certain key level down there. So it is turning from that key level, it is turning up. But mainly until now, what we have to expect in gold is sellers, they are taking control. But that very serious control of sellers is going to happen when the price is reaching a certain key level. So as I go deeper to lower time frames, I will indicate the key areas where we have to expect sellers to take control of the direction of the market in gold. So now going to daily time frame. In daily time frame, we have certain key things that we can share there. We have a trend line, this one, a trend line. Maybe I can start with this, making it deeper maybe in order for you to see it clearly. Now mainly this trend line was respected several times, and now recently has been broken, and the price broken it strongly, and now it's going to retest it, because when it broke it, it didn't retested it. Maybe in lower time frames there you can see those who call the minor retest, but a big retest is going to take place now, whereby price is pushing to the upside toward that broken trend line. So this is also an indicator that price is bearish. And another key information which I can share now is, last week I talked about this daily order block. I said that price has created an order block, and always it was approaching toward that order block. Now in the past week it was approaching that order block. So I said, if price is going to move up to that order block and then it's not going to break it, move beyond this order block, and then start moving to the downside, it will be an indicator that now sellers are taking control of the market. So this is also another additional thing, that sellers are taking control of the market. So now this upward move, a recent upward move, where it's going to end, or maybe how far it's going to move. Mainly we are looking for this trend line, but at the same time we have key levels. We have this level there. Now it was broken, probably price may end there, but also we have another key level there, which is at least close to the trend line. So it is at least very supportive that price may move up to that second key level. And additionally, we can put things like the Fibonacci, whereby we may expect this price to go up to the depth of 50.61 to 78 in most cases. So it is around this area. So this first level is not so mostly likely for price to turn, so I can move this. So let's watch for market to move to around this 61 level, or 78 or 50 now, around the 50.61 to 78, which is within those key level, within this key level, and also within the trend line. So that's very powerful in a daily time frame. And also this upward move is supported by those rejections. So it shows that there are certain buyers at this area. But the idea here is those buyers, they are not going to move this price above the previous move high. They cannot take the price above the previous move high, so we expect this market to turn at any point within this move, then it will keep on pushing strongly to the downside. Maybe moving to 4 hours. To 4 hours time frame, basically the key informations here, maybe we can have a deep analysis of this upward move. Now this upward move, always, I was watching it since early in the morning. I was watching for this current move to go beyond this previous high. I was watching for it to go beyond this previous high in order for me to have a very clear observation of what is happening here. So mainly from what is happening now, as price it has already broken this and it is still stronger, pushing to that direction. So this is clearly a 1. It is clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, finally 5 to the upside. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So it is clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So if it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside and it is against this powerful push, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 against the major trend, it is just a beginning of correction. So this one is just a beginning of correction. So if it is a beginning of correction, and this will take a form of zigzag, now specifically this will be A, then we will have B at any point, then finally we expect to have C to the top. Finally we will have C to the top. So that's how the market is going to unfold at the current market price. So we expect the price to unfold in this way. It will complete this upward move, then it will push in a correction to form wave B, then C will be completed at a certain level there. Now what is important is, as price is going to complete this wave C, you have to watch for selling confirmations. When the price it is already at that level, you have to watch for selling confirmations. So if market will confirm for a sell direction, we will have a very powerful push. We will have a very powerful push to the downside after the market has confirmed. But the very serious confirmation, a very serious confirmation is after this one. We have this trend line there where the price has rejected. So we have this trend line here. Now mainly price has been rejected several times, and now when it hit this level it was rejected again. So in order to have a very serious confirmation for sell, we have to wait for price to break this level, then a retest, and finally this will be bye-bye, moving to the downside. So those are the key observations for price move for this week, and mainly we'll watch for completion of this correction. After completion of this, mainly let us watch for sell idea, sell idea, sell idea. So thank you for your time. Make sure that you subscribe this channel, and also you share this video, you put your comment if you have any suggestion, and actually, yeah, you do anything, mainly you do anything you like, you subscribe. If you are not subscribed, you subscribe. So thank you for your time.